In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mark a reminder in Slack as complete. So if you had set a reminder and you have gone ahead and completed the task before the time, then you can go ahead and mark it as complete. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do this, go ahead and find the task or the message, and once you find it, you can see it will be under saved letter with this mark. Alternatively, you can just go to the saved for letter folder here, and if you click on it, now you'll see all the tasks or all the messages that had reminders. And now from here, if you want to mark it as complete, hover over these more options, and the first option is mark complete. So I'll go ahead and click on mark as complete, and it will go ahead and be marked as complete, and now it will stop appearing in for letter folder. So that's how you can mark a reminder as complete in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.